Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new in this channel, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a remedy that would help you to grow up your lashes and also your eyebrow. So if you're actually like admiring those long snatched and beautiful full eyelashes, well, if you're consistent in this natural remedy, you're going to achieve that. Like you yourself you're going to be having that full long and snatched looking eyebrow and eyelashes. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment down below and also share this video. All right, let's dive into the video. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a vast remedy that works in numerous areas, counting from the skin to the body and also on the hair. It helps to leave the skin smoother, and it also helps to improve the hair growth. So using it on your lashes is going to improve the volume of your hair, and it's also going to increase your hair growth. We'll be needing just a little aloe vera since we're actually using it for the lashes. Okay, just a little of this will be okay. And here's the gel. So we're gonna be removing all of this peel. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is to cut in the gel into the blender. So now it's properly blended, and I'm going to turn this into the bowl. Rid of that part, okay? And this is what we need. And then you're going to be making use of carrots. Now in this carrots, we're just going to be making use of the carrot juice, guys. Now carrot juice helps to tighten up your skin follicles, and it will help in improving your hair growth. So it's going to help to strengthen your lashes, and it's going to also help to leave your skin smoother. That's when you use it as a mask on the skin. So we're also going to be needing to cut in the carrots, because we basically just need the juice of these carrots. So I'm going to be cutting it in smaller pieces, guys, so that transfer that into a bowl and blend it. So here is the blended carrot, although not properly blended. Maybe this my blender is actually does not have enough strength to blend it. Anyway, since you need just a little of the juice, so I'm going to be scooping in the carrot so I can juice it out. Here's the aloe vera and the carrot juice. And now we're going to be putting in a little bit of petroleum jelly. Now this is a natural pure jelly that helps to increase your hair growth. Okay, so using petroleum jelly on the skin, on the lashes, is going to improve the volume of the hair, and it's also going to help your hair grow faster. Now let's first of all put in the petroleum oil. We're going to be making use of castor oil, guys. Now castor oil is a very thick and natural oil that helps to get into the skin follicles, therefore improving your hair growth, and it also helps to darken the hair. Castor oil helps to remove stretch marks, pigments, and it also helps to get rid of rash. And now the castor oil. So what we're gonna do is to gently mix up. We're gonna gently mix it up to all together. If you can actually just dissolve it so that the petroleum jelly can actually, dissolve. Oh yeah, one body back. So here's the lashes treatment. Okay, so you're gonna need a very small brush like this. You're gonna dip it into the treatments like that, and then you're going to rub it onto your eyelashes. Make sure it touches the base of your lash. You can actually rub it as if you're actually rubbing eyeshadow. Rub it beneath. Alright, so you can also rub it on your eyebrow if you're aiming to grow your eyebrow. Okay guys, so what you do is that you have to keep this for it to dry. Now you can actually sleep with it. If you rub it in the evening, you can sleep with it till the following day anyways. Okay, so it's just going to help you to grow your hair, and the volume of the hair is going to increase. Okay. If it's actually too much, you can remove it, and you use your hand to dab it through in. Use your hand to massage it in case it's too much, because everything in it is something that would be perfect for your skin. So you use your hand to dab it in. Okay. So for the treatment, you can turn it into an airtight container. Okay, and then you keep it, so it's just gonna stay there for some time. Then you continually apply it onto your skin. Okay, so that's it, guys. Apply this morning and night, and your lashes is gonna grow long, and the volume is going to increase, meaning it's just gonna grow really thick and really healthy. Okay, and you are gonna be loving it. All right, guys, so if you do love it, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to share this video, leave your question down below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye, guys.